Picture this: you're a successful entrepreneur making over $400,000 a year. Sounds great, right? But without the right tax team, you could be handing over 40% or more of that to the government. In this video, we'll show you how to build a tax dream team that could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. From proactive tax professionals to legacy planners, we'll cover every expert you need in your corner. As your income grows, so does the complexity of your tax situation. Many people believe that handling their own taxes is a smart financial move, but this seemingly cost effective approach can actually lead to significant tax overpayment. The reality is that as your earnings increase, the intricacies of the tax code become more challenging to navigate without professional guidance. Let's talk about early on. At this income level, your tax situation remains relatively straightforward. Basic tax filing services often provide sufficient support for individuals in this bracket. However, even at this stage, understanding your fundamental tax principles can yield meaningful savings. Self filing may be appropriate for simple tax situations, but consider basic tax preparation software or services and focus on standard deductions and common credits. Begin developing financial literacy to prepare for your future growth. Remember that as your income approaches 100,000, it becomes increasingly valuable to seek more specialized guidance. Now, at this income range, things get a little different. The complexity of your tax situation begins to increase, but doesn't yet warrant extensive professional services. Consider working with a tax preparer who can identify common deductions you might miss, and begin exploring retirement account contributions for tax advantages. If self employed, investigate business expense deductions and home office possibilities. Start tracking expenses more carefully to maximize deductions. At this stage, investing in basic professional guidance typically pays for itself through identified deductions and proper filing strategies. For individuals earning over $100,000, the tax landscape shifts dramatically. We want to start engaging a tax professional because these strategies require to optimize your tax position become more sophisticated, and the risk of overlooking crucial deductions grows substantially. This is particularly true for those in this 100,000 to 400,000 income range, where the tax code's nuances can quickly overwhelm even the most diligent do-it-yourselfer. What's often underestimated is the value of professional knowledge in identifying lesser-known tax-saving opportunities. This income range represents a significant shift in tax complexity. The tax landscape changes dramatically, requiring more sophisticated strategies. Partner with a proactive tax professional who understands your specific situation. Consider adding a tax strategist to develop tax efficient savings and growth plans. Begin investigating investment advisors who can align investments with tax strategy. And begin exploring estate planning and asset protection strategies. The value of professional knowledge becomes crucial here, as obscure deductions like the Augusta rule and HSAs and cost segregation strategies can provide substantial savings when applied correctly. As your income grows, specialized tax strategies become increasingly valuable. These approaches require professional implementation and documentation, but can yield substantial returns. Health savings accounts, triple tax advantage with proper planning, cost segregation studies for real estate investors, the Augusta Rule, Section 280A for qualifying home based businesses and using your home for your business, retirement account optimization besides basic contributions, entity structuring for business owners, S Corps, LLCs, holding companies. These strategies typically remain overlooked by do it yourself filers, potentially costing high earners thousands in missed opportunities annually. While they may seem obscure, these strategies can provide substantial tax savings when applied correctly, especially as your income increases. But what's the real cost of going it alone? The numbers might surprise you. Estimates suggest that individuals in higher income brackets who handle their own taxes may be missing out on thousands of dollars in potential savings. This is due to a lack of professional tax strategy, which becomes increasingly crucial as your income grows. It's not just about that overpayment, it's about the opportunity lost with what you can do with that money. Now, for income earners over $400,000, the stakes are even higher, and the potential for significant overpayment becomes a serious concern. It's not just about the money you might be leaving on the table, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your taxes are optimized can be invaluable. As your financial situation becomes more complex, the stress of ensuring you've covered all bases can be overwhelming. Professional guidance not only helps you save money, but also provides assurance that you're making the most of your financial position. Assemble a team including tax professionals, strategists, and investment advisors. Implement comprehensive tax planning that addresses both current and future liabilities. Begin serious estate planning with appropriate legal structures. And consider charitable giving strategies with tax advantages. Explore tax optimized investment vehicles and placement strategies. Without proper planning, individuals in this bracket typically overpay taxes by tens of thousands annually. The right team coordination becomes essential for optimizing your overall financial position. Now, for those in the $1 million income bracket and above, for those fortunate enough to be earning over $1 million, the game reaches a whole new level. At this income, a coordinated team of professionals becomes not just beneficial, but crucial. Your dream at this stage typically includes a proactive tax professional, a dedicated tax strategist, investment and insurance advisors, and tax attorneys. This ensemble works in harmony to manage complex financial situations and implement advanced tax strategies. Each member of your tax dream team brings unique value to the table. Tax professionals and strategists often specialize in knowledge in areas such as estate planning and tax law. Investment advisors contribute expertise in tax efficient investments. Together, they ensure that all aspects of your financial situation are addressed, maximizing tax efficiency and minimizing liabilities as your income grows. The potential impact of having the right tax team cannot be overstated. For high earners, it can mean the difference between a comfortable retirement and the ability to make significant philanthropic impacts. Businesses that significantly scale their tax approach often see substantial savings, with the right team potentially saving them tens of thousands of dollars annually through optimized strategies and proactive planning. For those earning over $1 million, tax strategy reaches its most complex level, requiring a comprehensive team approach. Maintain a coordinated team including tax professionals, strategists, and investment advisors, insurance specialists, and tax attorneys. Implement sophisticated estate planning with appropriate trusts and inheritance strategies. Consider advanced charitable giving approaches, including private family foundations. Regular team meetings ensure all financial decisions align with tax efficiency goals. At this income level, proper tax planning isn't merely about savings, it can fundamentally transform your ability to build generational wealth and create philanthropic impact. The right tax team isn't an expense, it's an investment in your financial future that grows in importance as your income increases. Below $100,000, basic tax filing services may suffice. 100,000 to 400,000, partner with proactive tax professionals who understand complexity. $400,000 of revenue and above, assemble a coordinated team of specialists working together, collaborating, communicating consistently. Take time to assess your current approach against your long term financial goals. Are you confident you're maximizing all available opportunities? Remember that as your income grows, so should the sophistication of your tax team. The tax team analyzer can help you evaluate your current situation and determine if it's time to level up your approach. By investing in the right tax team now, you're not just saving money today, you're building a foundation for long term financial success and security. Comment taxes below, and I'll send you our strategies your CPA is not telling you ebook. Thank you.